As First Ladies of Africa, we are using our collective power under the Organization of Africa First Ladies for Development, or AFLAD, to address issues on our continent that transcend our language, geographical, and economic barriers. The convening power of First Ladies provides a remarkable platform for partners like the Merck Foundation, enabling us to join hands and work together for the good of our people. Allow me to single out the More Than a Mother campaign by the Merck Foundation, which has championed the cause of marginalized women by raising awareness and fostering empowerment. To address this learning poverty, we must invest in foundational education and equip our children with these important skills.
We increased the number of health facilities that provide maternal and child health services from 340 in 2021 to over 523 by the end of 2023. As a result of various interventions, our 2022 demographic and health survey showed that maternal deaths dropped from 556 per 100,000 in 2015 to 104 in 2022. A drop of over 80%. Equally, the survey showed that child deaths dropped from 67 per 1,000 live births to 43 per 1,000 live births, a reduction of around a third, and still much needs to be done around this area. While acknowledging these positive developments, more remains to be done to meet our goals for maternal and child health.